everyone, welcome to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, for this video of the WebToTech, I will be showing you how to send emails in your Gmail. So first, you open the Gmail application. Once you open the Gmail, you are at the inbox section. Here, you need to tap on the compose on the bottom right. Tap on compose. This will direct you to the compose mail section. Here what you need to do is you need to tap and provide the recipient email address in the to section. Here you provide the email address which whom you want to send this email to. Then below you need to type in the subject. You can just write few words what this mail is particularly about. And in the below text box compose mail, you need to type in the body of the mail. That is, you include the message or the emails, attachment, files or any documents that you want to send in this email. Once you completed typing your message or the information on the body section of the mail, you need to tap on the arrow on the top. It is a send icon. Once you tap on that, this email will be sent to the recipient email address that you have provided. So this is how you can send mails from your Gmail account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.